guys, Sandy Ingram here, your hostess here on Budget Retirement Options. In this video, we will talk about lifestyles in Mexico on $1,200 US a month versus $1,800 a month for one person. We also talk about how to make friends, establish safe networks, especially if you do not speak the language, and ways to entertain yourself. Are you ready? Let's get started. First of all, there has been comments and questions about living on $1,200 US a month in Puerto Vallarta, and rightfully so. First, you must remember that I started my journey 8 years ago. Rents have gone up, yet $1,200 to $1,400 a month is still doable based on your lifestyle choices. Now, if you want to live like you live or how they live in the United States, or if you frequent the bar and restaurants almost daily, or if you like expensive day trips or you shop in expensive boutique shops, or if you shop exclusively at high-end grocery stores, then you will need more than $1,200 a month. However, if you live in the local neighborhoods, you shop where the locals shop, and you take your own cocktail in a thermos to the beach to watch the sunset, then you can expect a $1,200 to $1,400 a month cost of living. You see, the locals in Puerto Vallarta only earn an average of 8,000 pesos a month after taxes. Now, during the month of May 2021, this equals around $400 US a month. Therefore, you can live well on less because the locals live well on much, much less. No, you won't be in a luxury condo. However, you can afford clean, safe, and even live within walking distance to the beach. 8 years ago, you could live beachfront on $1,200 US a month. Yet, prices are going up. Supply and demand. You've got to remember there's over 10,000 baby boomers retiring every day in the United States. If you watched my videos, you would learn that I had to move because my rent went up. I got a larger place, modern, with full-length balcony in Paso Anchos, right across the street from a raging river. This was and is the mountain jungle area, and the rent was only $260 a month. Plus, I had to pay water and utilities. Now I'm back in a high-rise luxury building in Old Town Acapulco with a view of the bay, the ocean, and the city for less than $500 US a month. The same unit in the newer part of Acapulco would cost around $1,200 a month. Newer part of town meaning around Walmart on the main street and beyond. Been there, done that. Now let's talk about being an introvert and traveling and living as an expat in a foreign country. If you are a loner, yet sometimes you need to interact with people, the best way to do this would be to find the Facebook group page for the expats in the area in which you live. Post an inquiry for someone who would be willing to meet you for coffee to share information about the area. You can always meet at Starbucks if you're in a city or destination that has a Starbucks. The other thing you can do is sign up for city tours. This can get a little expensive, but tours every 3 weeks or so will keep you motivated to go out and explore. You can always become a tourist even when you are a long-term stay status. The next thing is you want to find a place that you are comfortable with for breakfast and a place for dinner. Now this applies even if you prepare your own meals at home. Frequent only these two places in the beginning. Always tip well and be friendly, but not too friendly. The staff will get to know you, and when you ask questions, they will watch out for you. After all, when they see you coming, they will see dollar signs. Is this buying friendship? Maybe. I prefer to think of it as buying protection. Becoming a part of the community or the fabric of your new location. If you have more questions, put them in the comments section. I am here to help you transition to living well on less.